The following takes place on October 15, 2024.
While most Thais celebrate their birthday by going to the temple and make merits, I think that since I'm not a Buddhist, I should go donate money to the hospital instead. I'm not sure about the whole karma thing though, but I want to cross out all the T's and dots and make sure I will not be reborn as an ant. This is Patong Resort, and it's the hotel I'm staying in. A lot of people has compared it to a spaceship or a PlayStation 4. However, not the PlayStation 5. Not quite sure where to find it. I guess it's not the donation ward, I would say. Well, for security reasons, you cannot film inside the hospital, which is understandable. But I got this little, this little proof of donation, and they're very happy, and they need all the help they can get. So yeah, if you can, please make a donation. Okay, now time for foot scrub.
An elephant transport. Well, you don't see that every day. Hello. Thank you.
Now, time for lunch. Let's go!
Looks very nice. Very good. Delicious food.
This is mushrooms with chicken, banana curry. There is spice, but it's good spice. It's not too spicy. And here's something that's too spicy for me. Full now.
What I'm most looking forward to, as long as I'm keeping my health and is happy, I'll be perfectly fine.
It's hard to think. When I'm in Thailand, I'm not at the beach every day. I'm not so much of a frequent visitor because I'm making movies, and they mostly take place in a temple or in a haunted place or a jungle. But the beach is quite nice, isn't it? Yeah. giant snake coming up. Yeah, it's hard to think that people come here and not say hello to the big snake. How was it?
Yeah, that's good.
Hey, now we're trying krathong, which is a plant they have made a powder of and sort of made their own drink. Doesn't smell anything, but it's not alcohol. Let's try it. Tastes like some kind of fruit juice. Not
Yeah,
bad
it does.
at all. Not too bad at all. Okay, well, it's birthday, so we have something here from Australia, from the company Chardon, which is said to be owned by Moet.
Oh.
Since we don't have any champagne glasses. Yeah, it's not too bad, not too bad. I had worse. Another happy landing.
Tre, två, ett.
Very nice. Friends from work make me a video, singing, everything. And I'm very good.
absolutely, without any doubt, the present of the year was the birthday song from my friends at work. Absolutely brilliant. Really appreciated it. And well, it's been a great day so far. Maybe being 50 isn't that bad. So cheers.
Wow. Now, more than 24 hours into my 50th year. Thank you everyone for sending messages, and in particular my friends from work who sent me a video singing. That was absolutely the best. Now, I'm going to bed. Good night, and thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next one. Bye bye.